front of me is a Honor 20E, and today I'll show you how you can wipe Cache Partition on this phone. And to get started, you'll want to hold power key. Once you see your boot options on the screen, select power off. And when the device turns off, hold power key and volume up at the same time. So let's do that right now. And when you see the device's logo, there we go, let go of the power key and keep holding volume up. This will take you to recovery mode. So from here you want to select wipe cache partition by simply tapping on it. This will instantly begin the process, and as you can see it only takes about 2 seconds, at which point once it's finished it brings you back to the recovery mode right here, the main page, and you want to simply select reboot system now, which will then take you back to Android. And as you can see, we're now back in Android. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.